Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Tab P12 and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to find digital well-being and parental controls. Let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. As you can see, in my case it is over 2 hours, and most of the time I've spent on the settings, and then Ibis Paint X, Google Chrome, Gmail, etc. We've got also the unlocks and notifications count. So if you'd like to, you can check some further details just by tapping inside this graph, and you will be transferred to the dashboard where you can check the screen time in particular days of the week. You can compare them. You can also change the screen time to notifications received and times opened, and the second option is to tap directly on the app, so for example the settings or any other app, and again you will see the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app. You can change the screen time to notifications received and times opened, and from daily to hourly. What is more, if you feel that you're spending too much time on the screen, here you've got ways to disconnect. I highly recommend to check them, especially for example the focus mode, where you can set the specific schedule in specific days. Yes. You can select distracting apps on which you are spending the most time on. For example, just mark them like that. You can set a schedule, so you can choose specific days of the week, specific hours, and then turn on the focus mode, thanks to which your device will simply hide the notifications from the distracting apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.